friends, this is day 6 of a week of daily warm-ups. Thank you for joining me, and make sure to tap that subscribe button if you haven't yet. Let's start this vocal warm-up by taking a moment to connect with your breath and align your body, releasing any tension that isn't serving you. Even spending a few seconds on this each time you sing is incredibly helpful. The exercises are listed below, and feel free to change octaves as you need to. First, let's sing on the word key. We will sing key and go. Key, key, For this next vocal warm-up, let's hum. Teeth are apart, lips are together. We can sing This should feel nice and buzzy in the front of the mouth. Here we go. Now let's descend on zooey, ooey, 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 ooey. Look for some commonality between the oo and the e. Make sure that the lips stay flexible. Here we go. Zooey, ooey, 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 ooey. 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 Now let's move to a focused and efficient EA, like EA. Here we go. EA, Now let's sing a very relaxed ha ma ma ma. We're going to make it feel like a sigh, like ha ma 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 ma, and sing ha ma 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 ma, ha ma 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 ma, ha ma 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 ma, ha ma 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 ma. This next exercise will work on mid-range balance and flexibility. We're going to sing on D, like D. Keep it light and easy. Here we go. D. Working across registers now, we're going to sing on Do. Note the breathing pattern. We will sing Do, 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 Do. Here we go. Do, 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 Do. Let's move on to a major triad arpeggio. Let's sing on Ma, and we will double it up, like Ma, and go. Ma, Ma, let's open up to a full octave arpeggio and sing, oh how I love to sing. Sing it like you mean it. Oh how I love to sing. 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 Great job. Thank you so much for warming up with me today. If you like this, I hope you'll give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Also, let me know what you've been working on vocally in the comments. I'll see you next time. New video tomorrow.
Somebody's sleeping on the job.